Hello, today I'm going to show you where to find the vehicle identification number inside your Mercedes-Benz C180. Open the passenger side door and there it is, a label, and this label contains the VIN. The VIN is Unicode, including a serial number used by the automotive industry to identify individual motor vehicles, towed vehicles, motorcycles, scooters, and mopeds. And there's another space under your passenger seat. You have to unwrap the button pillows a little bit, and there it is again, the VIN. Yeah. And if these numbers are matching, you are going to see that this car is original, of course. And you can look also at your papers. So, nice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.